Fed warned Ripple XRP buyback will allow you retire in 2 years. U.S. Representative Brad Sherman recently advised the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to go after crypto exchanges that supported Ripple's XRP token. However, in a recent interaction with Fox Business journalist Eleanor Tourette, Sherman made another claim against the token. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Unexpectedly for everyone, Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission publicly filed petitions for summary trial over the weekend, although they were expected only today, September 19, 2022. Breaking. Ripple Labs, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen file motion for summary judgment seeking judgment as a matter of. Breaking. SEC files motion for summary judgment. The parties filed the petition separately in the Southern District of New York. The SEC built its argument on the premise that buying XRP in a joint venture makes the cryptocurrency an investment contract, that is, a security that should be regulated by U.S. securities laws. In addition, the SEC claimed that Ripple lured many investors to buy XRP, making them believe that they would make huge profits in the future, thereby implying that the cryptocurrency is a security. On the contrary, the defendants, Ripple, Chris Larsen and Brad Garlinghouse, said that regulators could not prove that investors bought XRP, relying on the company to help them make a profit, since there was no agreement. According to Ripple's lawyers, token holders usually profit from the asset due to the forces of supply and demand. Based on this, XRP holders have no right to claim profits from Ripple. In addition, they cannot accuse the company of any violation if it does not profit from XRP, Ripple added. Ripple executives and observers of the case have already expressed their opinion on the petitions filed. According to Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, it is obvious that the SEC is not interested in applying the law in this case, adding, they want to redo everything in an unacceptable attempt to expand their jurisdiction far beyond the powers granted to them by Congress. Today's filings make it clear the SEC isn't interested in applying the law. They want to remake it all in an impermissible effort to expand their jurisdiction far beyond the authority granted to them by Congress. Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty also commented on the developments, saying that the SEC has not yet identified any investment contracts after 2 years of litigation. The SEC cannot satisfy a single point of the Supreme Court's Howey test. Everything else is just noise, Alderoty added. The day is finally here. Our motion for summary judgment is public. You can view it here. Similarly, attorney Jeremy Hogan, a partner at the law firm Hogan Hogan, said that the Securities and Exchange Commission is now in big trouble after a recently filed motion for summary judgment. I just read the summaries, and the SEC has a couple of big problems. 1. Her expert agrees that most of the changes in the price of XRP are due to market forces, not Ripple. The Securities and Exchange Commission has failed to record that any of the XRP buyers have heard Ripple's alleged marketing pitch, a big problem because it has the burden of proving everything here. Video tomorrow. I just read the briefs and the SEC has got a couple big problems. 1. Its expert agrees that most of the changes in XRP price are due to market forces and not Ripple. Ouch. These types of concessions are perfect for summary judgment. Next court dates. Ripple has almost a month to file an objection to this set of petitions, and it is expected that the summaries of objections will arrive by October 18. It is expected that the answers to them will be received by November 15, by which time all the briefings will be completed, and the judge will wait for the final decision of Torres. James K. Phelan predicts that on March 31, 2023 or earlier, Judge Torres will simultaneously make a decision on the petitions of experts in the decision in summary proceedings. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of the leading blockchain company Ripple, said that most cryptocurrency companies are ready to comply with the rules. He added that clearer regulation is needed to help the nascent industry thrive. I think the vast majority of people in the crypto industry want to play by the rules. Let's just clarify what the rules are. So the first thing I think about is let's be very clear about what we're trying to regulate, Garlinghouse said in an interview with Collision. Ripple's CEO added that another regulatory issue that needs to be addressed is the lack of consistency in a space where regulators use different approaches for different companies. You have a few examples where regulators go after companies, and then you look at another company doing pretty much the same thing, and they don't say anything about it. Garlinghouse added. According to Garlinghouse, the US lags far behind other G20 countries in terms of cryptocurrency regulation. He added that several G20 countries have already found ways to mitigate fraudulent cryptocurrency activity in their respective jurisdictions, as well as to ensure orderly markets. However, this cannot be said about the United States. According to Garlinghouse, most of the G20 countries have made significant progress in regulating cryptocurrencies without much difficulty, as it seems to the United States. When asked why the US is lagging behind other G20 countries in regulating cryptocurrencies, Garlinghouse pointed to the SEC, calling the agency a hammer that treats cryptocurrency-related companies like a nail. Garlinghouse expressed concern about why the SEC spends so much time trying to prove that XRP is a security, while other sectors of the crypto industry require careful study. It's a little confusing why the SEC is spending a lot of time and energy on this, when in fact there are some things happening in the market that perhaps deserve closer attention, he said. In addition, Garlinghouse said that leading cryptocurrency stakeholders are working tirelessly to attract regulators to stimulate the growth of the industry. According to Garlinghouse, several regulatory authorities are concerned about the compliance of cryptocurrency companies with anti-money laundering, AML, rules and terrorist financing rules, since they are fundamental legal acts. After the formal filing of motions for summary judgment, several legal experts took the time to shed more light on the petitions filed separately by Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. As we reported earlier, attorney John Deedon, representing more than 72,000 XRP holders in a lawsuit against the SEC, analyzed Ripple's argument in a recently filed motion for summary trial. James K. Phelan, a former prosecutor and lawyer, also took the time to summarize the arguments of the Securities and Exchange Commission in the motion. Phelan quoted some excerpts from the SEC's motion for summary trial, in which the agency does not explicitly imply that XRP is a security. However, the agency assumes that any purchase of XRP based on economic reality is an investment in a common venture with Ripple and other XRP holders. Here's the SEC's argument. How I interpret it. We are not saying that XRP is a security as such. We are saying that any purchase of XRP, from an economic point of view, is an investment in a common venture with other XRP holders and with Ripple. Whether it's horizontal commonality or strict vertical commonality, it's an investment in a common venture with other XRP holders and with Ripple. So while XRP may not be a security per se, there is no other possible way to offer or sell XRP other than as a security. And when you understand what the SEC says, no matter how it's framed, the solution the SEC wants should include secondary sales. See the screenshot below where the SEC uses the words purchase and all units. 1/3. Here's the SEC's argument, as I interpret it. We aren't saying XRP is a security per se. What we are saying is that any purchase of XRP, as a matter of economic reality, is an investment in a common enterprise with other XRP holders and with Ripple. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.